Hey guys, Chris Razor here again over at Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today I'm going to be going over the DC Tromb 400. Before I do so, make sure you like and subscribe to all the videos that we have. We're constantly putting out new content, so you can always be up to date on the newest and greatest things that are out on the market. As for this unit, it's the perfect small unit for our concrete genie, hand grinders, cleaning up floors, just your routine day-to-day vacuum system that you need. Some of the features of this, obviously it is a 110 volt, so it's not going to require a lot of power. It meets all OSHA's requirements for HEPA and the way they want you to control the dust once it actually goes into the system. So what I mean by that is, back here you're going to see there's a vacuum port. So this is your hose that'll come with it, and the dust will actually come through the filtration system, go through its conical and HEPA filters, and then all your remaining heavy solids dust will actually drop down into what they call a longo pack, which this is just like a continuous tube bag. It's like a sausage bag. The way it's designed is that the dust will come through, it'll drop down into this bag system. Once this bag gets to a not too heavy, a manageable size, what we'll do is we'll take zip ties and we'll zip tie on top. So now this is going to be full of dust. We'll put a zip tie here, and then we'll go 6 or 8 inches up and we'll put another zip tie here, and we'll be able to cut in between. So it's just a constant system where we're not actually going to be touching the dust once it goes through this filtration system. So that's a really cool feature. You'll get some zip ties when you buy it. You'll get a set of bags, which is roughly in a box about 100 bags. So very inexpensive, cheaper than contractors' bags, and you get about 100 out of a set. What I really like about this one compared to some of the competition is the way it's built. It's very durable. It's got a better wheel system than some of the competitors out there. The caster wheels are a lot more durable. The switches on these don't seem to go out. They're really durable, and you'll know some of the competition out there, the switches are constantly blowing, you're constantly replacing the caster wheels. It's just kind of a pain in the ass, and really having something that's strong and durable is nice. If you need to replace the filters, you have these little latches here. You simply just pop those, take the filter out, put a new one in, and you're back up and running. It does come with a wand kit, so it's a nice little holding spot for it. It's right here. But then you would just take your attachment for your head, and then you've got your vacuum system here. So that's really nice. It's got squeegees on the bottom, rubber blades, so it really gets a good clean suction with the floor. You will replace these blades over time, but that makes sure that you're really sucking up all the dust that's on the surface of the concrete after you've ground or right before you're doing your coatings or you're in your polishing process. So that's nice. The on-off switch is right here, so you'll be able to turn the unit on and off right here. Again, it's just a 110 volt. They want you to use it on a 20 amp breaker, so that's why you'll see the diagonal plug here. So you can buy adapters if you're working in a house that's only got 15 amps in the outlet. But otherwise, they just recommend you put it on a 20 amp outlet, 110 volt. I would recommend that you use a 10 gauge cord. That's just a better cord, a thicker cord. The vacuum's not going to work as hard to pull its power. So one of the other things about this is really unique versus some of the competition is when you need to clean the filter. So obviously you're sucking up a lot of dust, and these filters get clogged up, and then the vacuum's not working as efficiently, so we need to clean them. Well, a lot of people, what they have is they're obviously going to have this valve that you can see that's open. When it comes time to clean it, we want to stop the flow of air coming in, and a lot of the competition will have a flapper. Well, those flappers are constantly breaking. The employees are banging on them. They're not really doing it the way it's designed to be used, and they break. What's cool about this unit is actually you'll hit this switch, and this will actually pulsate the filter for you. So it'll actually clean it for you. Do this for about 10-15 seconds. Then just release the switch, it'll stop its pulsing, let the air flow back into the system, and you can keep going about your grinding. So that's some of the cool features about the DC Tromb 400. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach me at the number below. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.